as Azimio Young Turks for Handshake Alliance, and we are here as a group that is geared towards making sure that the presidency of Raila Odinga becomes a reality. And we have no doubt in our mind that this is a team that is going to come each and every area in our country and make sure that we entice, we talk to those people in all parts of our country to make sure that on that material day, that is on the 9th of August this year, they come out in their numbers to make sure that they vote for none other than Right Honorable Raila Odinga. Today, we are here for two activities. We are planning for a number of activities. On Saturday, we will be in Thika. And of course, we have lined up quite a number of activities together with the National Coordinating Committee to make sure that each and every day we have an activity in each and every part of this country. There are people, especially the ones who are our worthy competitors, who have been saying that we are not on the ground. We are on the ground, and we will be knocking doors in those villages, in the Kwale places, to make sure that the young people who don't have IDs have access to that critical document. On the 17th, IEBC will be rolling out, the enhanced voter registration. And from Parliament, we have made sure that we have availed enough resources for IEBC to conduct the enhanced voter registration, the second batch. So we will be going around ourselves to make sure that those who have identity cards also make sure that they have a voter's card, so that they also participate on that crucial day. So we will be going in all the, all the 290 constituencies. We are not leaving any part behind to make sure that the presidency of Raila Odinga becomes a reality. And I have no doubt, some of us here, and quite a number of us here, have never voted for Raila Odinga. But on the 9th of August, together with our followers, we will be voting for Raila Odinga to be the president of the Republic of Kenya. So I have no doubt in my mind. The second one is on the prayer day. On the 20th, we have dedicated that day that we will have a national and also international prayer day, which of course will be held here in Nairobi, in Nyayo Stadium. But concurrently, there will also be prayer meetings in all our 47 counties, including the diaspora.